masayang-masaya ka. Happy birthday! God bless you!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
At sana'y maging isang masayang araw ang inyong kaarawan. Happy birthday po.
This is a fellow Australian just greeting you a happy birthday, and I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that everyone around you is making it a very special day for you. Full of surprises, full of food, full of good news, full of everything positive. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa iyo, sana maging masaya ang birthday mo at maging masaya ka araw-araw. Yun, enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, and I wish you all the best. And of course, on your birthday, dapat masaya ka. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Ikaw ang pinakamaganda ngayong gabi. Ikaw yun, wala nang iba. Kahit sino pa itapat mo dyan, ikaw yun.
Happy birthday. God bless.
Pag-blessing sa buhay mo. Good health, syempre, para sa pamilya mo. And yun, God bless always. Happy birthday.
To greet you a very happy birthday surprise! I hope you have a good one.
Happy birthday sa'yo. Sana marami kang gifts. Sana you're happy. Si Jake ka pala nagsabi nun. Thank you.
I'd just like to greet you. Happy birthday. God bless you. Hope to see you.
Happy birthday. Have a great day. Keep working hard. Good luck with everything in the future, and I hope to meet you soon.
Birthday. Salamat na marami. I love you.
Happy birthday sa'yo. Magpakasaya ka lagi at lagi ka mag-pray kay bro.
Sana marami kang matatuloy na gifts and more blessings for you. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday sa'yo. At sana lahat ng gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo ay matupad. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, and I hope you enjoy your day. Hope you get to see each other soon. I'll see you soon, okay? Bye-bye. Thank you very much. Very much.
Umasa ang lingkod bayan at sa isang mabuting kaibigan. Maligayang karawan.